welcome to my podcast, She Walkin, One Step Closer. In this podcast, we will be sharing travel stories and experiences. Also, if you haven't checked out my YouTube channel yet, then do look it up at She Walkin. And do follow me on Instagram for fun reels. Welcome to another episode of One Step Closer with She Walkin. So, in today's episode, we are going to be talking about why I started walking. Now, I had finished university, I was studying sociology, I was looking for some work. Then I tried my hands in social media marketing for a while, didn't find a lot of passion in it within me. Um, then I was working as a manager in this backpacker hostel in Pushkar. After that, what I did, then I worked for my brother, just managing his documents and doing some research work for his business. But again, it wasn't me. I was just doing things to make money. And after that, we stumbled. So, me and my brother were brainstorming like what could be something that is for me, which involves my passion. So, I'm fully into it and we can make money out of it. And one day, we stumbled upon this category called slow television, which is basically, for example, footage of fireplace for an hour or a train journey for like 5 hours. And then we got to know about this thing called walking tours, where you just have to walk with a camera on different streets and you don't have to, talk or like actually vlog. You just have to walk. And I was like, okay, this sounds absolutely perfect for me. I love to walk, I love to travel. And if I don't have to talk, that's a win-win. So yeah, my brother was like, okay, if you are in it, then I'm ready to invest for a while because um, monetization takes a while on YouTube as well. So I told him that, okay, bhaiya, I am going to be doing this very seriously because this is absolutely perfect for me. And I am going to be dedicated towards it. I will keep walking. You just invest your money in it. And I promise that we'll take this somewhere. And yeah, so we got the camera. We started walking. I started walking. And it took us 1 year to monetize the channel. So, yeah, I mean, I did find something that I was passionate about, and I figured out how to make money out of that. And it's been so lovely ever since. Like, I never get tired of walking. It's just walking. Everybody loves to walk. And I am super grateful that She Walkin happened. And yeah, I mean, I am super excited for the adventures that are yet to come. And that is my story of why I started walking. Thank you so much for listening to She Walkin. In the next episode, we are going to get into my experience working as a manager in a backpacker hostel. That's an exciting story as well. So, if you did enjoy the story, please do subscribe to my channel and leave a review. And let's talk more in the future. Thanks a lot for listening to She Walkin. Hope to see you for the next episode.